Hey guys, Big Lowdown here. Today we will be making pumpkin chocolate chip oat bread.
Yeah. Pumpkin chocolate chip oat bread. Another one from the Minimalist Baker cookbook. Yeah, we love this cookbook, but maybe the next one will be from another book. So that's what we're gonna be making today. And there goes all of our ingredients. Well, let's get started. Now let's preheat the oven to 375. Yep. Push the arrows up until we get to 375. Bingo. All right. So to make your flax eggs, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal for 2.5 tablespoons of water. That's 1 flax egg. So dump that in there. And now you're gonna get 2 tablespoons of water. No, 2 tablespoons. Yep, there you go. 2 tablespoons, pour that in. Yep, all the way up. There you go. Dump it in. Go ahead. All right, now take the 1/2 tablespoon, fill it up with water, and that's gonna be your 1 flax egg. And now we have to do a 1/2, because it's 1.5 flax eggs.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So for your 1.5 flax eggs, you're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of flax meal, and you're gonna need 3 3/4 tablespoons of water, and that's gonna make your 1.5 flax eggs. And then you mix it up, and there you have it. Now you're gonna take 3/4 of pumpkin puree and add that in. Go lower so there's a splash.
Just have to use my finger.
Or a spoon works. Now 2 tablespoons of mashed bananas. We got it right there. All the way to the top. Now even it out.
Grab a fork and mash it down like that.
Yeah, there goes 1. Dump it in. Now next one. Fill her up.
Okay.
Good. Dump it in. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now we're gonna mix this all up, and then we'll add some more dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. You have your 2/3 cup of brown sugar. You have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we are gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Let's pour them all in.
Okay.
Go for it.
So salt.
Dump them all in.
Careful not to spill it. Salt. Pumpkin pie spice.
Yep. Cinnamon. Baking soda. And your brown sugar. There you go. All right, let's grab that other teaspoon of baking soda and mix it all up. Now we're gonna add our water and our apple cider vinegar. 1/2 cup of water and 3/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So you can get a 1/2 teaspoon and a 1/4 teaspoon. That'll make your 3/4. Now you can pour in the water, and I'll grab the apple cider. Go for it. Pour it all in.
There you go.
Now the majority of our dry ingredients is right here. 1 cup of oats. You can use gluten-free rolled oats. Those are the rolled ones. They're in whole pieces. They're not the little tiny 1-minute ones. Then you're going to need 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of gluten-free flour. And you're also gonna need a half a cup of almond meal. Let's dump all of it in, kiddo.
Let's start with the almond meal.
All right. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. There we go. Next.
This is flour. Last one, rolled oats. The easy one.
There we go. All right, we're gonna mix this all up. So this should be semi-thick but pourable, and then we'll go into our next step. Now we're gonna take Lo's favorite.
Chocolate.
2/3 of the cup. You're gonna pour about half of it inside, and then you're gonna take the rest and put it on the top before you throw it in the oven. So stir that in there, lock it up until you get some chocolate in your batter, and then we'll put some on top when it's ready to go in. You're gonna take your loaf pan. This is about a 9x5. It says to grease it lightly. It's a silicone pan. You shouldn't really have to, but I'm gonna spray a little bit of avocado oil just in case.
We are going to pour it in now.
Once you have all of your batter inside your pan, you can take your remainder of your chocolate chips and pour it over the top. And then you're gonna throw it in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. And you should be good. Take a toothpick, put it in the loaf. If it doesn't come out wet, then you are good. Should be a golden brown kind of color. Let it rest for about 15 minutes and then you're ready to eat. Let's take it over to the oven.
Ooh, that's heavy.
All right. Yep. There you go. Good job. All right. See you in about 45, 50 minutes.
And it's finished.
Let's give it a try.
It's like banana.
That's very good. Taste the chocolate that's inside.
And some on the outside.
A little hint of the banana, a little bit of hint of the pumpkin. But a good mixture. It doesn't taste like too much banana. It doesn't taste like too much pumpkin. This is really delicious.
That's good.
This is delicious. Yeah. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Ring the bell.
ring the bell. Leave your comments below. Try the recipe out. And till next time, have a sweet day.